Hello and welcome to day 8 of the 12 DIYs of Christmas with Stitchery. I'm Catherine Harris, and for today's DIY for Christmas, I thought we would make this cute little farmhouse tree topper. It's nice and quick to make, and it's a lot of fun. So let's get to it. So for materials, we're going to need a metal star topper, some chalk paint, brown acrylic paint, fairy lights, a paintbrush, and a drill. So to start off, we are going to paint the entire star white with white chalk paint. You could leave it the same color, but I wanted more of a neutral palette, and I find that this goes with a lot more. Plus, I think it looks a little bit more sophisticated than the traditional metal that it was originally in. And so I'm just going over with a light coat on both the front and the back of the star, being sure to catch the edges and fully coat everything. So you're going to go over this and let it dry and do about 3 coats. In between each coat, I sand it down, and on the final coat, I do give it a nice good sanding before we head on to the next step. So you get out your dark brown acrylic paint and you're going to dry brush the sides and edges of all of the stars to really start to add to those features. So the way that I do it is I put a little dab of paint on my brush, put it onto the paper, and then just brush it out until it is dry. And I'm going in and really creating some of that detail that points to the inside of the star and just going along the edges of each of the star topper points. So right here, I like to use a drill bit to drill a hole in the back of the star, and then take a chopstick to push those fairy lights in. And there you have it, a nice quick DIY tree topper that you can adorn your Christmas tree on. If you decide to make one of your own, please let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to tag us on social media at Stitchery. Once again, makers, I hope you have a fantastic Christmas, and until next time, let's get our Sew-Spiration on.